the project will have a lot of greenery, a lot of water amenities. So 248 rare apartments, which will, the density, basically the project density comes very low. Since this is 5.16 acre to 248 apartment, the density comes to 48 units per acre. Biraya offers resort style living. This offers amenities like exclusive spa and sauna, then jacuzzi, then the outdoor seating area, the lounge with cafeteria, al fresco deck. You can enjoy with your family members there beside the poolside. Spaces are open, so you get more of breathing space when you come out of your apartment. You will have amenities like palm court, then water terraces, dining terraces, exercise lawns, and then pavilion and hammock decks will be there. For the people who want to enjoy in a peaceful situation or who want to keep some balance in their life, I mean, amenities like meditation center, the contemplative trail, aqua gymnasium, I'm sure you must have seen in the TV when it was playing. It's a very good amenity and very few projects are offering it. A lot of celebrities are using it. So this is one of the trending amenity, you can say, and very less projects offer it. Jacuzzi, alcohol, and hammock deck and kids pool, which will be there in the project. Biraya offers triple lighted lobbies not only for the towers which are there, this offers triple lighted lobby even for the clubhouse. So the club lobby generally you see, I mean, on golf course, I can see, I mean, most of the projects have either single lighted or double lighted lobbies, and the clubs mostly have single.
50. How the breakup is, you have to pay 5% at the time of booking amount. Within 18 days, you have to complete your 5%. Again, rupees straight away discount on your pricing. That is the offer that we have. In further information, my RMs will be assisting you on the one-to-one session. So once again, a recap. 4 BHK, small size starts from 15 CR, 15.13 CR. Prism, Tower Prism, we have bigger size apartments, 17 CR to 18 CR, 17.68 CR to 18 CR, 18.6 CR. Payment plan 20, 30, 50. Number 1 offer is early payment rebate. Digital payment benefit is 500. Total 1250 rupees offer is there for the customer. Now it is up to you how you are bringing the customer, and we will be assisting you to close the customers with these offers. One more announcement. We are going to be